Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived an old farmer. He had 4 sons, strong, healthy, and always fighting. Yes, every single day. They argued about work, food, even the weather. The poor farmer sighed and thought, how will my sons handle life if they can't even work together? One sunny morning, the farmer called his sons. Footsteps approaching, rooster crowing. My dear sons, I need your help. Go and bring me a few sticks. They ran off and quickly came back, carrying handfuls of sticks. The farmer tied all the sticks together into a bundle. He smiled and said, now my sons, each of you, try to break this bundle. The first son stepped forward. He held the bundle tightly and tried. Nothing happened. The second son tried. Still no luck. Then the third son tried, and the fourth too. But the bundle stayed strong. Strange, isn't it? 4 strong boys, and they couldn't break a few sticks? The farmer smiled and said, now untie the bundle. Take 1 stick each, and try again. Each son took 1 stick. They held it tight, and snap! Wow! The sticks broke easily, just like that. The farmer looked at his sons and said softly, my dear sons, when the sticks were tied together, no one could break them, but alone, they broke easily. It's the same with you. If you fight and stay apart, anyone can defeat you. But if you stand together, no one can break you. The 4 sons looked at each other, and for the first time, they smiled instead of fighting. From that day on, they worked together, shared everything, and became the happiest family in the village. And so, the old farmer's lesson lived on. Unity is strength. Because just like those sticks, when we stay together, we become unbreakable. Moral of the story: together we are strong. Divided, we fall.